Honorable Minister for Industries and Commerce, Shrimati Geeta Reddy Garu, Principal Secretary for the Industries Department, Shri Pradeep Chandra Garu, Commissioner Industries, Rajat Kumar Garu, Director ESD Special Secretary, members of the Industry Association, members of the IT Industry Association, Electronic Hardware Association, ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Minister for Information Technology is about to reach in few minutes, and before that, I would like to give you a brief overview of what Mi Seva project is and what this entails for the citizen. And on behalf of the Information Technology Department, I would like to warmly welcome Dr. Geeta Reddy Garu. In fact, it's been a year now that we launched the Mi Seva project in Medak district, and the Honorable Minister was there, and it's in your constituency, and it's a coincidence that it's just about a year that the first time we are bringing in the G2B services, the government to business services, into the Mi Seva fold. Friends, I think all of you are aware that the concept of Mi Seva is to provide transparent, efficient, hassle-free governance to the citizens of the state. It's a very unique, first of its kind initiative that has been started in the state of Andhra Pradesh. And I'm very happy to tell you that when we started this project, it was only in one district with just about 10 services pertaining to one department. But today, in just about a year's time, we are in all the 23 districts of the state. There are more than 6,000 Mi Seva centers in the rural and the urban parts of the state. And now we are running about 115 services pertaining to 10 departments. And today, we'll be adding about 20 more services which would be pertaining to the industries as well as the information technology department. This journey of Mi Seva has been, to my mind, one of the shining examples of what information technology can do to improve governance. And in a span of about 6 to 7 months till this project stabilized, we have completed more than 1 crore 55 lakh transactions. And all these transactions are in the form of electronic transactions. The output, that is the proceedings or the sanctions or the letters or the certificates, are given with the digital signature of the concerned functionary and a strict adherence to the citizen charter time limits. I mean, that is the hallmark of this particular project. Out of 1 crore 55 lakh transactions that we have completed, only 70,000, which is less than 1% of the transactions, are pending beyond the citizen charter time limits which we have set for those services. Another example of, another beauty of the Mi Seva project is, now it cuts across departments. Now these 10 departments, it makes it very easy and simple for the citizen to approach a Mi Seva center. They need not bother about the distinctions of the departmental boundaries which any government system would have. For them, it's the entry and the exit at the Mi Seva center. They just simply have to go to the Mi Seva center, they enter, they give their application, acknowledgement is given, and with that acknowledgement, they can go back happily. They also get an SMS which tells them their transaction ID, and after that, the entire process is taken over by the electronic system. The applications which are received into the Mi Seva system, then they go to the concerned functionary. They have a specific time limit within which those applications have to be redressed. And the moment they sign those requests, an instant SMS goes to the applicant informing them about the disposal of their application. And after that, again, they can approach the nearby Mi Seva center where a digitally signed certificate or a proceeding, or in the case of a business now, it would be the sanction letter and the amount transfer which would take place, and their exit again is from the Mi Seva center. Now, through this system, what actually happens is accountability. We are able to get a complete count of the applications which are received for a particular service. We know the exact time which the department has taken to dispose that application of. We are able to monitor the performance of the individual units, and by doing this, we are able to cut down the red tape and bring down corruption and nepotism, which is considered to be one of the major banes of the government systems all over the world these days. I would also like to inform to you friends that in Me Seva project, we have about 50 services pertaining to the revenue department, pertaining to the Tehsil offices, pertaining to the RDOs, joint collectors and collectors. In fact, recently we have started 4 services, again very unique and first of its kind in our country. I hope many of you would be aware of it. The police department services. There are 4 services pertaining to police department. Services like lost and found, missing documents, pertaining to character verification by the police department, permits and permissions which are being given by the police department. And you'll be happy to know that all the 2,200 odd station house officers in the state have taken digital signatures and they are disposing of all these requests through their digital signature tokens. Besides this, we have services pertaining to the registration department. We have services pertaining to the civil supplies department. Now shortly we are going to be starting services pertaining to agriculture, and in the next 6 months our plan is to expand the outreach of Me Seva from the current 100 and today will be about 130 services, from the current 130 services to about 300 services. It would be cutting across all the departments. About 21 departments would be in this particular fold. Friends, for the first time we are starting this G2B services. Now all of you are aware that both the regular industry as well as the IT industry, as part of our industrial and IT policies, we give a lot of concessions and incentives to the industries which are operating out of our state. Now, I can appreciate the kind of hassles which the industrialists have to go through running around departments, trying to get those incentives, which is actually their right, and sometimes they are not even sure about the disposal of those applications. So what we have tried to do, in fact, the Commissioner Industries that played a pivotal role in this. In fact, he conceptualized this entire process as to how we bring these services online, and in just about a month and a half, all these services have now been brought into the Me Seva fold. The entire application development has been now completed. The only thing in industry is